and welcome to the Business of Being a Virtual Assistant. I am your virtual coworker, Tiffany Parsid, and you are listening to and watching episode number 128. Today, I just want to talk to you about communicating with your clients like they're people and being honest and open and showing your best self. Now, what brought this up is I was on Upwork the other day. I was looking at it on my phone. I rarely go to the Upwork mobile app, but it's been on my phone installed forever. So I went on there, and lo and behold, I had a message from one of my former clients. This message was dated January 2018. And I felt so bad because I didn't even see the message all this time. Normally an email, comes through to let you know you got a message. And so what did I do? Here it is 2 months later. I just sent her an email. Hi, Deborah. I'm so sorry. For some strange reason, I'm just now seeing this email. Please let me know how I can help you in the near future. Because her message was asking me if I had time to work on a project for her. So she responded within a day or so that she thought it was strange I didn't respond, but figured I was really busy working on other projects, but that she definitely had some things for me, so she'll be reaching out again. So I immediately responded back, said, thank you, I'll be on the lookout. Now, if I had thought, oh gosh, that message was back in January. She's probably forgotten about me. What is she gonna think? Because it's 2 months later, I never responded to that message. No, I was really honest. Things happen out of our control, and all we can do is our best at the time. So I'm just now seeing it, and I responded right away. She was cool. She responded back, and then I replied back again to let her know I got it. And you best believe from now on, I'm gonna make sure that I'm checking those messages. And what's funny is when she responded back, of course, then I get the email from Upwork. So I don't know what happened. It may have landed in my junk or spam folder. I rarely check that if I'm not expecting anything. And maybe it got caught up in my sweep of deleting emails. I still don't know what happened, but everything is cool. We're fine, and we're moving forward. I've also gotten different inquiries on Instagram for client work. And again, when I'm speaking with people, whether I knew them from a long time ago or met them online, or this is the first time I don't know them at all, I'll do a little peek to figure out what they do, what their business is, just to get a feel before responding. But every single time I'm responding to a message, an email, whether it's from a client or anything, I imagine the person right in front of me, and I respond exactly as though we were speaking on the phone, so that it's very natural. It's still professional and all that good stuff, but this way my nerves are calm. I don't get over anxious or anything like that. I just treat it as though they just walked up to my desk and they're asking this question, and then answer them that way. Take a deep breath, reread what I wrote, make sure everything is good, and then send it from there. So I don't know if you get a little anxious when emails come through, or you find that you freeze or aren't sure what to say, or maybe there was an email that got lost in space somewhere and you're just now seeing it like I was with my Upwork client and aren't sure what to do. Go ahead, respond. I mean, what's the worst that they could do? Ignore it? I mean, it'll be fine. It was sitting there. But at least they have an idea that something happened. You didn't get that message. So that's for somebody who may have experienced the same thing I did and just were not sure how to handle it. Sometimes it's easy to forget that our clients are human and they know we're human. And so we should be communicating in that way and not trying to be perfect all the time. And I know we're like the non-slip for our clients, making sure they don't forget, reminding them, trying to think ahead, to think of things they may not have thought of. That's all very important. However, at the same time, we have to make sure we understand that they don't expect us to be perfect. If we can come up with something that they hadn't thought of that's very important, they're extremely appreciative, but they're not expecting you to be Superwoman, Superman, oh so perfect. They're not expecting you to be Jesus. He's the only perfect one, right? So you don't have to worry about that in your VA business. Now, I'm going to head on out. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, for listening, for watching. I'm curious to know, how are you doing on your social media challenge? And that reminds me, I've got some YouTube comments to go respond to. So let me know. If Facebook is your deal, go to facebook.com/Tiffany Parson Biz. If you just love Twitter, then send me a tweet. My Twitter ID is @Tiffany D. Parson. And if your fave is Instagram, you can find me at Tiffany D. Parson, also on Instagram. If you're on YouTube, don't go anywhere. Just comment below. If you're listening, as always, in the car, don't pull over to send a comment. Just wait till you get to a safe place and then shout it out. Tell me your question, your comment. Let me know how you're doing in the social media challenge. If you've ever wanted to go back, read the show notes, find out what links I'm talking about, go to tiffanyparson.com and you'll find me right there. So thank you so much for hanging tight. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a wonderful and fabulous day.